Here's a picture I recently took of a sunset. It was an amazing sunset. You had to be there. And that's the key point. You had to be there. This picture does not capture it. And in the same way as the picture does not capture the event, when I print this on paper, the paper version is not going to capture the vividness of the colors and saturation that I currently see on screen. So why is that? Part of the reason is that when we look at colors on screen, we're looking at RGB colors, the colors of light. So when we print, we have to print with ink or pigment. We can't print with light, so our colors are converted. Even though we may print them as an RGB image to our desktop inkjet printer, they're still being converted to ink colors. And there are fewer ink colors than there are colors of light, so some colors are lost. That's part of the problem. The other part of the problem is that when we're looking at ink on paper, the light is refracted from the paper. It's bouncing around all over the place. We don't know what sort of lighting conditions we are working with. We don't know what sort of paper stock we're printing on. There are a tremendous number of variables. So to a certain extent, it's a question of recalibrating our expectations. Things are never going to look quite as good in print as they do on screen. But that doesn't mean we have to settle for bad-looking prints. So long as we are using a color-managed workflow, and I'll be addressing that topic in an upcoming movie, then we should be able to make sure that our color is consistent from screen to print. Of course, the type of printer that we're printing on and the quality of paper that we're working with have a massive impact on the quality of the print that we get.